Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my subscribers, new subscribers and subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So this is a little different, but I wanted to share it with you. This is a academic planner from Erin Condren. I got this off of Amazon and I got it after it started. It started in July of 2023, but I grabbed it because the price was so inexpensive. And I'm going to use it usually with my planners. I don't necessarily use the dates in here. I will a couple of times. And then when it rolls back around to the old dates, I'll just redate it. Because this planner actually ends in June. So I'm just going to flip back here to July and change the dates. But anyway, this is, you're going to see a glare, so sorry. This is a Star Wars themed planner from Erin Condren. And of course, you know, I had to grab that because I do like Star Wars. And it says a force to be reckoned with. And this little dashboard here says the force will be with you always. So purpose of this video is for me to show you how I'm going to use this planner to plan my sewing projects. All right, so here's a monthly calendar and I made myself some stickers. So you'll see why I'm using these stickers in a second, but I made myself some stickers using my Cricut. Made them in Cricut Design Space and then printed them and then cut them with my Cricut. There is a video on how I do this on my channel. I'll link it in the description box below if I remember. But I did a video on how I made these stickers a really long time ago. So I'll link that if you have a Cricut and if that's something you're interested in. So I took the pattern stickers and I put them on the dates of when I want to have this pattern done and the video done. So of course you all know that I'm doing this bomber jacket 8418. So I have pattern here and I'm just going to put S8418. Sometimes I spell it out, sometimes I don't, simplicity. And this is, this pattern here is the Cala, I'm just going to put Cala backpack because it's a long name. Just so I'll know what patterns I'm working on. And sorry about the shaky cam. That was supposed to say backpack. So when that happens, I just grab my little trusty Tombow whiteout. Easy peasy. Backpack. There we go. If I want to write some notes over here on the side, I will, but more than likely I won't. This is the meat and potatoes. For goals, of course, I want to complete S8418 and Cala backpack. The rest will probably more than likely be some type of crafting projects for my planning channel. So I'll leave those. Not really any events going on that I know of. Actually, I don't think that's in January though. I think it's in December. It's a Atlanta sewing style Zoom meeting, but I think it's in December. So I just have to go back and look. Anyway, so these stickers, this up here originally says, let me go here, projects and exams. So I made this sewing and crafting sticker to cover up where it says projects and exams. And then here it says description, class, and details because this is the academic planner. So I took these stickers and I just changed it to project, video, and details. All right. So, of course, project. And then the Cala backpack. Now these dates on here are tentative. I start work this week, so I'll be training. I get off at 5 though. So I'm gonna try to use, I'm filming this on Christmas Day. So I'm gonna try to use this week and then this week to try to get this bomber jacket done. So it may even go up early, who knows? But these are the tentative dates that I want to finish these projects. So the video will be, I doubt it'll be a sew along because it's my first time making this particular pattern. So I doubt it's a sew along. So it'll be a pattern review video. I think they both will because it'll be my first time making both. All right. And then the deadline, I'm just going to write it in. I got white out. Let's apply some pressure. If I do a little bit every day, I can get it done. Any important dates that I might say, you know what, I want the pattern trim by this date. I want the fabric cut by this date. You know, something like that. And then the details is like I can put the type of fabric. I'll just put multicolored woven, then a satin lining and a knit red for the bands and everything. All right. So that's it for now. For that, I can add more details if I want. For this, I can put black cork and black and white woven. So I'm going to need some SF101 and I'm going to need, I believe, either fusible fleece or I don't have the actual pattern, but I'm going to put fusible fleece. And I'm going to put foam interfacing. I'm not sure if I'm going to need the foam interfacing, but I might. And then I'm going to need, oh gosh, it's escaping me, the straps. What are the name of the straps? I'm going to put strap, but I can't, it's escaping me. I'm more than likely, I'm not going to do the straps and fabric. I might, but I may just do black. Oh my gosh, y'all. What are the things we make straps out of? I can't think of it right now. This is going to bother me, but it's the, I can't think of it, but oh, that's gonna bother me. So I'm not gonna make my own straps. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about because it's not coming to me. This stuff here. Let me know in the comments. I'll probably have it by the time I post this video. But this type of strap. that's what I need. And I also need hardware. And zipper. Speaking of zipper, I'm gonna need a mm-hmm. 22-inch separating zipper. 22-inch separating. Did I spell that right? Zipper. I just looked at it too. I did. All right, so this will get me started, and then once I'm finished, I can just check it off with both projects. So this will get me started with my sewing and crafting planner. These, like I said, will probably be crafting videos for more sticker related, planner related videos for my planning channel. If you haven't checked out the planning channel, I always link it in the description box below. I also started that Facebook page that I told you all about in the other video. So that Facebook page is up. That Facebook page is going to be about everything that I do. So sewing, crafting, planning, all those things I'll talk about on that Facebook page. So I will link that as well. So if you're on Facebook, you can follow me on that page just to check out the other side. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Do you have a project planner? Do you have a sewing planner? I know there's sewing planners out there. I made one once upon a time for bag making. I know, I can't think of her name right now. I know her name is Cherie, I believe. But I think she does a sewing planner. I've seen a couple of people on YouTube that I passed by from the UK. They have sewing planners. Of course, I don't know anybody's name or handle. But yeah, I just like to, because I like different types of planners, I like to go through and see what I can use for this and what I can use for that. And any opportunity for me to make stickers, I am all for it. All right, so let me know, do you use a planner to plan your projects? If so, what planner do you use? Or did this give you inspiration to grab you a planner and plan out your sewing projects? All right, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.